Kim, I'll explain sign up and login, post creation, notifications and mentions, as well as the detailed post page. Let me show you the sign up and login features first. Input validation is handled like this. Yeah, it is successfully registered, and I'll use my previous account to see all history. Now we can see the home page. We can create a new post either from the post button on the left sidebar here or from the create post option at the top center. So let's create a new post. Media preview is available like this. And let's create a new poll. And we can also set the poll length here. And here's my location. Yeah, it is successfully created. And let's move on to the notification feature. You can check notifications for new commands, mentions, retweets, and more. You can also find the mentions here. So let's go back to the home page. If I click a post, you can see all the details as well as additional features like commenting and retweeting. So I'll answer one of the options here. We can also leave a comment here. Retweet is also available. And dark mode is applied to every page like this.
Hello Professor, my name is Arbaz. So in my project I am working on the front end page, this page, and basically it is deployed, and I am working on the PWA, make my app into PWA, and working on the sockets. So this is the website is deployed on the Versa front end and backend deployed on the Blender. The second thing is I also make my app into PWA, so you can see that, and also the delete functionalities, and also make the it's a like functionality, it's a real-time like functionality, and it's a real-time feed when you add it. Anything else, test post, like something, so instead of it fetch the all the request again, it just update the state, and it is a real-time update the state from all other users. It also the same the polls functionality, and I think anything I am working on the poll, it's a real-time poll functionality. Just when you vote anything, it is a real-time update to the for the other user. But why it's not updated, because I am already just say that voted. So this is all of part by done by me. And the second thing, see that the profile page, the Nandini working on this page, but the problem is here she is not completed her work, so there are some issues in her branch. That is, I didn't merge her branch into our staging made, so her branches are separate. So this is the whole functionality is done by me. I implemented sockets on the front end and back end both. Thank you, Professor.
My name is Hương Giang Ding, and what I did for this project is the left sidebar, the right sidebar, and also the home page. So in the left sidebar, I also implement dark mode and light mode, and you can see here that you can vote for something. Also check for the pictures and the hashtags as well. Hit on hit on follow for follow recommendation. Also, you can go to explore page, um, search for someone. For this, you can see the people and either the post as well. Go to list this, and these are the people.
Yeah, hello, Professor. My name is Ife. I'm here to talk about the Twitter clone web application for the backend. We use the Node.js and Express, leveraging their lightweight and flexible nature to deliver a robust API. And the architecture follows a layered design to ensure clean code and maintainability. So I'm just quickly going to rush through. We have our configuration files that handles the MongoDB and Postgres and Swagger configurations. We have the controllers that handles the business logic. We have the um, we have the factories for error, so we don't to avoid repetition of error messages. So and then we have the middlewares. We also have the migration. Now this was done because we had to do some edits in our databases. So with this, it automatically does those changes to the table. Then we have a model that handles our users and posts. So we use two databases, the MongoDB for users and authentication. Then we have the Postgres for post and relationship between users and post. And the routes handle the logic, the path, and yeah, the S3 configuration is for the AWS to help us save files that we upload, and the sockets for real-time notification. So quickly, I'll just do some tests on Postman. Um, so I saved, I saved some. So for this is register. So when you try to register, this is what you get. You get this is a response, and then when you log in, you get this kind of response. So we also have the logout, the refresh token to get current user. This is what you get. So you can also update password. You can get a public user profile. So the current user has to get the user that's logged in and has an authorization, while the public profile does not does not. With a public profile, you can just check other users' profile. Then we have the posts. This is to create post. So when you create a post and your post contains a media, the media is saved into the S3 buckets depending on the kind of media it is, if it's an image or a video, and then it returns the URL to the vid of the media. Then this is to view all the users' feed. The current user, the logged in user, this to view his feed. This to get trending hashtags. This is to like a post. So this is the response message when you like a post. And when you unlike, so for the like is a toggle function. Then post analytics is to get the analytics of a post. So this is the kind of response you get. You get this. So basically that's almost all of it. And we have the user profile to update user profile, to follow user, unfollow, get the number of followers and number of people unfollowing, and follow suggestions, returns every user stored in the database for MongoDB that the current user does not follow. So I think that's pretty much it. Thank you.